Hi friends! Today the hardware wallet market is literally overflowing with options. Ledger, Trezor, SafePal. The choice is huge, but often too complicated for beginners. Now imagine a cold wallet that works just as simply as a bank card. No wires, no screens, no seed phrases. Its name is TANGEM Wallet. To show you how easy it is, the TANGEM team once gave random passers-by just 3 minutes to activate their very first crypto wallet. And almost everyone managed. No instructions, no seed phrases, no hassle. But that's only the beginning. At the end of this video, I'll share news that could truly shake up the hardware wallet market. And the link to purchase TANGEM with a 10% discount is already waiting for you in the description. If crypto storage matters to you, this video is worth watching until the end. Let's get started. What is a cold wallet? Before talking about TANGEM, it's important to understand the idea itself. Cryptocurrency doesn't sit in your phone or on a card. It always lives on the blockchain. And the key to it is your private access code. Lose it or have it stolen. Your assets are gone. To protect this key, cold wallets were invented. These are devices that keep the private key offline without constant internet connection. No internet, no remote hacking. The key stays only with the owner. Why this matters? That's why hardware wallets are considered the gold standard of security. They are perfect for long-term storage, investments, and large sums. Situations where you simply cannot afford risk. Remember this simple formula. Cold wallet equals private key always with you, not online. This means no one from outside can connect and steal your coins. So the main rule is, a cold wallet keeps the private key physically with you. It never transmits it to the network, so no one from outside can connect and steal your assets. If you're not with us yet, now's the time to subscribe to the channel. Be a friend, hit like. It really helps promote our videos and gives us the energy to create even more useful content for you. Now, the most important part, what makes TANGEM stand out among all other devices on the market? Usually, a cold wallet is a flash drive with buttons, a screen, and a cable for connection. You need to charge it, update it, connect via USB or Bluetooth, and figure out the menus. For beginners, this often looks complicated. TANGEM works differently. It's not a flash drive or a device with a screen. It's a card, similar to a bank card. No wires, no battery, no firmware, and no need to set up electronics. You simply tap the card to your phone via NFC and sign transactions with a touch. That's it. That's why TANGEM is called the most accessible cold wallet for beginners. No seed phrase hassle. And here's where it gets really interesting. TANGEM is a cold wallet without a mnemonic seed phrase of 12 or 24 words. Normally, when creating a wallet, you need to write down the seed phrase, store it safely, never photograph it, and never show it to anyone. Lose the phrase, lose access. Someone sees it, they can take all your funds. TANGEM solves this problem differently. When creating the wallet, the private key is generated inside the card and never leaves it. All backup happens through the card itself, not through paper words. You simply use several physical cards as backup keys. Lose one card, access remains. Lose them all, recovery is impossible. It's an honest and very simple model. Your cards equals your access. To make it easier for you to navigate, we've left a selection of trusted resources in the description. The best centralized exchanges, top no KYC platforms, reliable wallets, and our Telegram channel. Check it out. It's your navigator in the world of crypto. Let's break down the packages and why most people choose the set of 3 cards. TANGEM Wallet is sold in 2 versions. Set of 2 cards. Set of 3 cards. Each card is an equal copy of the private key. There's no main and backup. All are identical. Any card gives you full access to your assets. So why do many users prefer 3 cards? Because it increases the level of security. Lose or damage one card, 2 remain. Lose a second, you still have access. The more backup cards you have, the harder it is to completely lose access to your wallet. Saving money on security is usually not the best idea. Now, the most important block, protection at the level of biometric passports. In short, TANGEM focuses on real physical security, not just convenience. Inside each card is a secure chip rated EAL 6+. That's the same class used in biometric passports, banking systems, and government infrastructure. What this means for the user, the private key is generated inside the card and never leaves it. It cannot be read, copied, or intercepted. Firmware is installed once at the factory and never updated, eliminating risks of software hacks. The wallet has passed independent audits confirming no backdoors. In practice, to access your funds, an attacker would need both the physical card and your access code. Otherwise, nothing can be done. Supported networks and tokens. TANGEM isn't limited to just a few coins. The wallet supports over 16,000 assets across more than 85 blockchains. Major networks include Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and USDC, BNB Smart Chain, TON, Solana, Tron, plus dozens of ecosystems that are constantly expanding. This makes TANGEM not only a secure storage solution, but also a convenient multi-currency tool. How TANGEM works in practice. Creating a wallet takes about 3 minutes and requires no technical skills. Download the TANGEM Wallet app, tap the card to your phone via NFC, create the wallet, add the remaining cards for backup. No seed phrases, no paper notes, no memorizing words. Cards equals keys. The more cards, the more backups. Signing transactions also happens with a tap. To send a coin, simply hold the card to your smartphone, confirm with fingerprint or PIN code, and the operation is complete. All interaction with the wallet is built around one simple principle. Have the card, have access. No card, no access. Core operations: receive, send, exchange. In the TANGEM app, everything is designed so any user can handle it. Receiving crypto. Select the coin, receive, share the address or QR code. Sending crypto. Enter the recipient's address, input the amount, confirm with a card tap. Exchange inside the wallet. Quick swaps between coins are available directly in the app. Fee options: fast, standard, manual for advanced users. Everything is transparent. You see the rate, fee, and final result before confirming. Interface and app experience. Tangem's biggest advantage is not only security, but the fact that using the wallet is genuinely simple. The app looks like a regular mobile banking interface. Coins, action buttons, balance, and transaction history. No unnecessary screens or complicated menus. Wallets can be switched with a swipe, handy if you have multiple cards. Each wallet can be named to avoid confusion. Balance can be hidden with a single gesture, useful when opening the app in public. Actions are confirmed via PIN code, Face ID, or card tap through NFC. In the end, all management boils down to a few clear steps. Open, choose coin, receive, send, exchange. No technical barriers. Earning opportunities inside Tangem. Tangem is not only about storage and transfers. Inside the app, staking is available. You can lock up cryptocurrency and receive rewards directly to your wallet. For example, Sol, Ethereum, and other supported networks pay interest for participating in transaction validation. It's similar to a bank deposit, but without intermediaries or centralized platforms. The rate depends on the network, and income is distributed gradually, without sending funds to external services. For beginners, it's a simple way to start passive income. For experienced users, it's a way to keep assets under control without handing them over to exchanges. Crypto opens up dozens of ways to earn. We've collected the best ideas and shared them in our Telegram. Subscribe. The link is in the description under the video. Tangem is preparing to launch a unique Visa card with cold storage built inside. How it works. This will be a full-fledged bank card that simultaneously remains a hardware wallet. You can pay with it like a regular Visa, in stores, services, terminals. It will work with Apple Pay and Google Pay. The private key always stays offline inside the secure chip. Support is planned for more than 130 million merchants worldwide. Card management will be handled through the Tangem app, just as simple as it is now. Why it matters. Essentially, this is a step from cold storage to real crypto usage in everyday life. No exchanges, no withdrawals, no waiting, and most importantly, no external control. Tangem turns a cold wallet into a familiar payment tool. This isn't just convenience, it's a new chapter in the history of cryptocurrency. For those who want to store crypto safely and without unnecessary barriers, Tangem is today one of the most convenient options on the market. In the description, you'll find a link with a 10% discount on purchasing Tangem Wallet. Always buy only from official sellers. Safety is always more important than saving a few dollars. Like, subscribe, join our Telegram, and you'll always stay in the crypto loop. See you in the next episodes. More insights are on the way.